Swiss watchmaker debuts a $30,800 Apple Watch clone with mechanical loading wheel. This is not a smartwatch at all. This is a shot at the smartwatch by a Swiss watchmaker for those that appreciate the finer things in life and love a good mechanical watch with moving parts. However, it looks like an Apple Watch. So you're taking a shot at all those digital heads saying, no, I'm not distracted. I'm in the moment. I'm a Swiss watch man. But what gets weird to me here is if that's who you are, do you want a watch that looks like a smartwatch? I suppose it's kind of fun, but a lot of people, I feel like if you're going to spend 30 G's on a mechanical watch like this, a Swiss timepiece, then maybe you want it to look like one. Do you know what I'm saying? Like a more classic design. I'm just saying, but it's cool nonetheless. They worked in the loading bar, and they claim that the reason for that is to put an emphasis on the momentary nature of life so that you're reminded to stay in the moment. Is that going to work on you, Willie Dude?
It reminds me, the loading reminds me of like just a loading bar from Apple.
Yeah, they made it to look exactly the same. They actually also...
It is all mechanical.
All mechanical,
it's not a display.
Nope, it's not a display. It's the loading of your life, Willie Dude.
Oh,
you see what I'm saying?
Oh.
Yeah. Eventually it'll stop.
Well, it's
Eventually
nice.
it'll stop. You got 20 years left, all right?
Well, 20 years, I'll take it.
I keep trimming down
okay
your life expectancy, making you very uncomfortable. No, I'm sure you got at least 40 more, Willie Dude. You're taking it all the way.
Oh, yeah, thanks.
You're taking it all the way, dude. Do you want 40 more? How many more do you want? You want 50 more? You wanted some crazy number. What was
40
it?
40 is good. I like 40.
Oh, you're okay with 40?
Sure.
What does that get you to?
I'll take it.
What does that get you to? 75?
Around there.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. I think you're going to beat that, actually.
Okay. Well,
since we're talking about time and the momentary nature, the temporary nature of life. It's also got some Vanta Black on it, so that's got to have your attention. The dial is actually covered in Vanta Black, considered the darkest known substance, absorbing up to 99.965% of visible light. So you got mechanical stuff, Vanta Black stuff, plus it looks like an Apple Watch, but then if anybody gets up close, they see the timepiece, they know it's for real. So I don't know, maybe it's a cool piece of stealth luxury that you know what it is, and that's what matters. I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how these things break down, but it's cool nonetheless. The Swiss Alp watch. It's called the Final Upgrade. Entirely mechanical, 100% Swiss manufactured movement, and a 96-hour power reserve. Just 50 units available for the Final Upgrade watches. $30,000. You can either get the watch or buy some crypto. It's up to you. Some Doge. Some quick Doge. Or some GME because it's cheap now.
Yeah.
I'll probably get cheaper. This is not that's not financial advice.
No.